Welcome to Tech BMW T19. Today we discuss about the LoadMaster rickshaw is not just a mode of transportation but a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of modern engineering. Designed to tackle the challenges of urban logistics, it combines efficiency, functionality, and sustainability in one compact package. Its robust design allows it to handle heavy loads while navigating narrow streets and crowded marketplaces with ease. The LoadMaster rickshaw stands out with its versatility, serving a wide range of purposes, from delivering goods to supporting small businesses in densely populated areas. Built with durable materials and engineered for maximum efficiency, it ensures reliability even in the toughest conditions. This makes it an indispensable asset for businesses that depend on swift, cost-effective transportation. One of the most remarkable features of the LoadMaster rickshaw is its eco-friendliness. With growing concerns about pollution and environmental degradation, this vehicle serves as a solution for greener transportation. Many models are equipped with electric or hybrid systems that reduce emissions while maintaining powerful performance. This not only helps in cutting operational costs but also aligns with global efforts toward sustainability. Its compact design allows it to access areas where larger vehicles might struggle, making it ideal for urban settings. Additionally, its low maintenance requirements and energy efficiency make it a practical choice for both small entrepreneurs and larger delivery networks. Beyond its technical specifications, the LoadMaster rickshaw is a symbol of economic empowerment. In many parts of the world, it provides a source of livelihood for drivers and small business owners. It enables individuals to transport goods, deliver services, and contribute to the local economy with minimal investment. For communities with limited access to traditional vehicles, the LoadMaster rickshaw bridges the gap, offering affordable and reliable transport solutions. Its adaptability ensures that it meets the unique needs of diverse markets, making it a staple in urban and rural areas alike. Whether it's ferrying construction materials, agricultural produce, or daily necessities, the LoadMaster rickshaw proves to be an invaluable tool that embodies resilience and progress.